Yeah, right now, the week ahead. Try to see that economic calendar, see if we got any bullshit. How was the weekend?
Good man, can't complain. I was basically running errands and got my son today, so I'm spending the end of the weekend with him till tomorrow.
Nice,
We
bro.
off school, so now we got to shuffle back and forth.
Gotcha.
Mhm. How's your weekend, bro? Good.
Yeah, good, good. Went out to see family yesterday, pretty much like had delayed Father's Day for my brother and my dad. My brother, my brother's a father, so yeah,
Nice.
that and just chilled all day today, man. Just kind of hanging.
Just waiting for.
Ready for the week.
Yeah,
More,
exactly.
more excited for Monday than I am Saturday or Sunday,
Always.
Especially now, right? Got the time. So
Yep, especially now. Tomorrow I'm gonna get you all day.
yeah, fuck yeah, bro.
Yeah,
Stoked.
yeah. All right, so. Let's get the ball rolling. Y'all can see my screen, right? Everything's good? All right.
Everything great.
All right.
Recording for the recording and everything.
Yes, Sirski.
All right. So crazy week, yo. Crazy week, I'll say, because it felt like they sold us off for 4 days straight, right? We got one good day pop, which was right here on Thursday. And then they just basically gave up the hopes of the Bulls and smacked them right down. So what I noticed was, right, before I go over like my sentiment on bullish or bearish. So this is what kind of struck my attention. I went to ES, right, on the daily. Yeah, just ES. Nope, that's not the ES. Hold on. Just the Okay, so let me take off all these lines. It's gonna drive me crazy. So when I went to ES on the daily, disregard this green one because obviously it's open right now. It put in this nasty bearish candle, basically almost engulfing this one. So that's kind of giving me the indication that it's kind of leaning to the downside a little more. I feel like ES might try to come retest 43.67 zone and then try to bounce. That's just my theory because everything, this obviously because the market is open, this stick will not be up. But from that day, this was pointing down. And look, the Bears just came in on the max. So very, very confusing. Like I said, I'm gonna give you guys my best opinion. So I think we go down a little bit and then we bounce. That's my thing. I think we might test 431 around there and then we bounce. That's just what I think. If not, then a morning star could possibly happen over here because this is a little green doji. So it throws a lot of traders off. So they say you gotta look at ES sometimes to dictate what's gonna happen. So ES is telling me downside, and this is telling me downside too. Look at this. This is what ES was basically showing me guys that day. So everything ES on the indicators is kind of matching, just the candles is not matching. So the levels that I'm gonna watch most importantly is gonna be this zone right here. Well, obviously 431 is where I said we might test and bounce. So if you do want to get short, I would say around 432.05, you watch like hawk it to see if you want to get sneaky puts 432. Because if it definitely goes around there, I think we slice on the 432 a little bit. And then, like I said, we could start bouncing. Originally, my bounce zone will be 430, but since we're still bullish in the market a little bit, not too bearish yet, there's a lot of speculation going on. I figure we bounce $1 above that. So 431 is more feasible for a bounce than actually 430 right on. So that's what I'm saying. Now, upside, I watched this zone right here for upside, which is 430, yeah, 435.60 or so. Watch that to go long or spot. So the Qs, same thing. I'm a little bit downside, but let's see what happens. This is all inside, very inside trading these days. So Q's kind of look stronger in my opinion, but these indicators is not telling me that it's strong. Look at how big this one. Oops, sorry. Hold on, see. Stretch this down. quite crossing already. Yeah, look, and it's crossing to the downside. And this looks bearish too. So I'm just watch this to short it. I think 458, 65, 70 around there to short it at least to this zone, which is I would honestly trim here and then see if it could go down because it could honestly go all the way to here before we get a bounce, which is 355, 30 around there. And if we're going long, I'll say watch this zone over here, which is 364.80. I'll say 364.80 could definitely go to 365 easily. I'll take profits around there and see if we crack. And I got an alert here if we crack more. So, all right, let's get to it. Like I said, I mixed. So I got some puts, I got some calls. I'll let you guys know right now. Let me pull up my notes. All right, first one we're gonna talk about into. Let me see what into it. All right, stretch this out now since we're done with that. Okay, into. All right, so what is in? Okay, into. So into is holding a nice 3 month, 3 months, sorry, like a nice monthly uptrend level. I mean, I don't gotta draw for experienced traders, but you can see it right here, right? 3 touch, 1, 2, 3. So we got 3 touch. So into it is a good watch at this zone right here. This 457.75. And this will be my profit taking area, which is I'm moving. This will be what? Oh, 461.50 almost. So not a bad move. You get almost a $3 move. So I like into it upside a little bit. This is hold on the RSI, it created a nice little double bottom and look how extended it is from the white line. I like that. This doesn't really look heavy. It's just tint change. It's just how it's super extended away from each other. So yeah, we looking at longs on this one for sure. That's one of the bull moves that look good. And this has like a $10 ATR, so that's not bad. AVDX, let me see, AVDX, okay. So this is having a nice bounce off this resistance area before we got a breakout around May. So I have 2 zones just to be safe. So I'm gonna put them now. I'll take these off. So I have upside alert and downside alert because this is a tight area. Basically, something's gonna happen. Like it's either gonna go up or it's gonna go down. So this is obviously gonna be the upside one. This is small account friendly, and if it goes down, it's gonna have to go because it could bounce there. Because it could definitely go all the way to our 50, almost 200. So 9.5. All right, so around here, I will short it to go both sides because this is a tight area and it's kind of bear flagging downside. And look, this is heavy as hell. And this is heavy too, but it's kind of curling. So it's like, let's be ready for both sides. This is a small account play. So that caught my attention through Watchlist. Let me see another one. TTD looks good. Trade desk. So this one, believe it or not, I'm a little heavy. I am heavy, not a little, sorry. I'm bearish. Why? Because we got rejection right here, rejection right here. So I called the almost triple, 1, 2, and 3. And this is a lower rejection. So a sneaky entry, if we're not closing, if we don't open lower, it will be around here, which is 74, 75, I'll say. So 74 puts. Then we're gonna go at least to low, so 74, so 74.20, and that's basically not a strong support because there's only two bounces really. The strong support is around here. So we could easily go near 73. Yeah, 73.35 for 40. So 74 is a high watch on TTD, but everything looks bearish. This is really like it's gonna fall off a cliff. This looks heavy. So everything looks heavy right now, team. The mixture of heavy. The ones that I'm bullish on is I think it's basically some health names. I think I got a few. I'm gonna go through it. But this looks heavy. Yeah. Sorry if you hear my son. All right, team. So this, right? Believe it or not, call me crazy, but I think this is gonna go higher. I know we got a whole bunch of Greek candles. I know that we already know that doesn't matter. Look how long Tesla rallied for, like 2 weeks. So we almost ready broke this major resistance. So all it has to do is get comfortable up here. I think we could go at least to up here, 145, high 145.80. So because this is saying it's rocketing up still. We obviously got it all the way up here. So we know it likes to go higher. And this doesn't look bearish at all. This looks like they got stronger on Friday. So I'm just waiting until we get comfortable around 143.50. I'll say 50 on TTW. I don't know, but it looks strong. In my opinion, it doesn't look heavy. This is a bull play. Let me see what else I got.
Yeah, that'll be a massive macro too if it goes.
Yeah, you're
And some of
absolutely
these
right.
things are going, like Snap was going, Pinterest was going, there are some stocks that aren't giving a crap about the market.
Mm-hmm.
Great idea.
Video. Everybody's watching video. Everybody's watching video. I'm bearish on the video so far. Doesn't look upsidey to me. So we got a red candle on the daily. We got the RSI. Ooh, nasty. Looks like it wants to go at least here. We got the MAC already just crisscrossed on Friday. So this thing under two on the 414.80. Well, as a matter of fact, to be safer, because the ATR is crazy, you can wait for 14.75, and I think it will short it at least to 40, yeah, at least 408. So we got a little $3 or $4 move on Nvidia if it flushes hard. So that's a bear play. It was hard looking for plays. I'm not gonna lie, gang. It was hard. I was like, holy smokes. Adobe, Adobe, Adobe. Okay. So you see, Adobe looks semi-strong on me. I'm not really bearish. I see a little double bottom here. Look, if I pull this up like this, look, see? So double bottom, right away until it just breaks this. So big accounts could definitely watch Adobe above 64.95, 65, 500 calls, I'll say. This looks great. It pivoted higher actually. That's bullish. The only thing that looks shaky is this, but it might have one more bull day before it really starts to sell, but doesn't look bearish right now to me. It's holding pretty good, holding this price level. Adobe. Okay, this is the end. No. Okay, Shopify. Shopify. Shopify looks good to the upside, right? If I'm not mistaken. Let's go. I just gotta reclaim this level. Yeah, I have to reclaim this level. 6505. This looks great. This is look, RSI in this level on the RSI is so strong, super demand. So this is good. Only thing that looks shaky is this, but it's all right. The Bears was in already for 2 days in a row. We're still positive. We can start leaning to the upside finally. So I'm bullish. So I'm going to get to 65.05 to see if we can get some longs on shop. Chewy, chewy. Wow, it kind of looks like shop. That's crazy.
Yeah, both of those plays actually, bro. Yeah,
Yeah.
and same thing.
Uh, so the only thing is that the Mac looks way better than shop. Huh. All right, so this is wait till we get to 39.85, and I think definitely get 40 calls. Let me see. Yeah, hell yeah, 40 calls. But this looks good. Beautiful. Yeah, I like the Mac here better than shop. But yeah, this is a bullish play. Chewy, we holding this beautiful the 200 nice too. So we hold this in. Should go higher. I like Chewy. Chewy, what else? I think I got IMAX. Yeah, I do have IMAX. Small account friendly play. It's been on a crazy dip, but it's a nice double bottom here. Look at the volume that we got on Friday. So this could start curling up like it was doing. So we could start seeing some action out. Just gotta be patient and wait till we get at least to 1790. Let's play it safe. 1790. This would be a nice long swing out, in my opinion, because you could get at least to almost $19 for it. Something that caught my attention. Nice little double bottom down, almost on the 1 month. And this is supervised on. Look at this, guys. Ridiculous right here. This is where it's bouncing. Yeah. AMC might move. I don't know. So if this moves, AMC will like BBWI. I think this one moved after hours. Yeah. So it went from 37 on like 10 to 37 on 1 after hours. But on the daily, it looks disgusting. Let me see. Wow, that's a lot of red candles. I always say you gotta get in when it's ugly, right? So hey, let's not negate it. Let's see. So we could get an entry over here around 36.50. That's a nice bounce, in my opinion. Hold on. Let me see. Oh, wow, they've been getting smacked. But like I said, they up after hours. So I'm gonna put an alert here to see if we can get to at least 38. Up after hours, I don't know. I think we got news, maybe. I don't know. We'll check tomorrow. But everything looks ugly here, to be honest, the downside. But I'm just going off of the after hour move. If it breaks this resistance, this is the resistance right here. Breaks this zone, it's gonna go up, guys. It's gonna at least go to maybe 30, yeah, almost 39. So watch this one long. Not bearish, I'm long. Oh, this one that just IPO, yo, they got options. It looks good. It looks good. I feel like we could at least go above this VP line. We're good. So we got, let me see, Kava 41.25. So just wait until we get to 41.65. In fact, 55. I believe they got 0.5 calls. So that I think we can at least go to 42 for sure, and then maybe go higher. But it's funny how I have no indicators here.
I was gonna say that's price action, bro. That's pure price
But
action.
we going off of the candles, man. The candles is strong to the upside.
At least we closed below that opening wick. I mean, above that opening wick, So
Exactly. Yep.
that's the price action, bro.
All right. This is N. Um. Wait, I want to make sure I got the right one. What's the name of this? Let's see. Hold on. Champion X. Oh, okay. It is the right one. Hmm. Never played this one. Never ever. It's gonna be your first time if you catch it, so.
I gotta mute myself just to laugh, bro.
So this is waiting for like a macro break right here. Look, right here. Wait for this to break. So,
Bingo.
so we go higher around 29, 25. Let's play safe. All right. But we look good. We look good. Look, this thing double bottom looking like it wants to rock you. Okay, this looks good too. It's positive. Look, they're not even close. It's like the extension here, so this could go. This could go at least to. If it gets this level, it's definitely gonna try to visit 30. Let me see. Oh, sorry. Is it 30? Let me see. What's the entry? What's the alert on top? Yeah, high 30s. So it's not bad. I never played this though, so let's hope it brings volume. We need some volume, you know. Don't want no spready stocks. All right, let's get it. Let's see. Let's see. Or you can catch a break. Let me see. Yelp. Wow. Yelp. Yelp. The daily on Yelp. Let's see what it looks like for us. Okay. So Yelp, we're gonna watch two zones. There's a down zone, which is obvious right here, clear as day. There's a down zone right here on Yelp if it wants to flush on us.
It's a nice chart, bro.
Yeah, it looks like a freaking bear flag to me, my brother. But if it wants to decide to flip heads, all it has to do is basically crack this right here. Yeah, 40.
So the sneaky pivot would be the last 2 days high for Thursday and Friday. I'm gonna set that alert for the sneaky entry for like season
Long?
traders. Yeah, for season traders.
Okay.
But for anybody who's, want to play it safe, it would have to be that macro break that you just did a line on.
Yeah.
Either way, both sides could be played. That's a fire chart.
Yeah. Just we'll be ready. Just be ready for both sides. I think honestly we could dip because this is like heavy as hell and we already broke the support on the max. So I feel like we could dip a little and then it might want to bounce some resistance over here. Maybe around here. Bounce. Maybe around here. It's 21. Oh,
Yeah, I agree. Thank you.
of course. Let's see. Yo, Len's on fire lately, bro. The only green one I've seen on my watch list in that sector. What the F? Yeah, yeah, wait for the break of the wick and it can go higher, but it's saying it wants to, bro. It's not saying it wants to go lower. This one's a little monster on the low. So, and look how high the body is on this shit, yo. 35, Watch
Yeah, everybody's got room, bro.
our room, bro, from 123,
That
35.
sector is so hard to read right now, real estate, because you're right, man. The whole sector is bearish, but then you got these randos going off.
Mhm. This is crazy. Okay, we don't watch that level. That's a good level, I think, to watch. My opinion, 123. Probably could get the 125 close. This moves like a good
Yeah,
dollars, so we could get that. AOS. I think we was talking about them like Thursday too. So I like this bounce off 50, man. Nice little wig. I like this too. This is still not too bad. It's not even close to the orange. I feel like we could afford maybe two more of these green ones, either color. But I like this. This is a nice bounce zone. One time here.
Point of control too, right?
Yeah, uh-huh. Mm-hmm.
Perfectly. Wow.
Oh, if it breaks these two, I think it flies. So I'll be a sneaky entry over here. See if you can sneak in before it gets to 70, the 5 cents. And then if you just want to play safe, you wait until it gets to 70.05, and then from there you should the price action should tell you if it wants to go higher, but it could definitely go to 71 if we go to if we goes to 70 and hold. But I like this one upside. Look at this channel it's been trading on. It's crazy. It's like showing it wants to go higher. No weakness. Nice chart. Alright, so next level. And honestly, it go higher than 17. Look, this went to like well, almost 72 that I went to. So well, $2, $3 move maybe if you sneak in early. All right, so hymns. Oh, wrote that wrong. Small account friendly. Health sector. Let's see why. Oops, I need to stretch that. All right. They're ready. Bear flag down. This was it. These two candles was it, and then it flushed down. But it's showed strength on Friday. And this looks like it's ready to ridiculously rip to the upside. This is having a tint. So chances are, sorry, chances are we're getting this next. One of these is already pink and it's kissing. Bullish indications right there. So this thing really goes. You just gotta wait till it cracks that dotted line that I had, which I'm gonna delete and put as an alert. Right, oh, right here. I'll put 70. No, 65. Fuck 70. 65. So hymns, longs. This is one of the health names that I'm bullish on. CVS looks good. 2 team.
Good chart for a bottom feeder, man. That Hims is a nice looking chart, bro.
Thank you, bro. CVS. Look at this freaking bounce. 1, 2, 3. Right here. CVS, right? Upside. So everything looks good. Look, this looks good. Those are struggling those days. And look, we got a green dark. I'm sorry. This was a green dark tint change. Yup, it's just trying to hide from us. All right, so once it breaks this resistance level right here, we should go up. So right here is 45. I'll say 70, 45. Okay. I know so yeah, yeah. Let me talk about Merck. See how Merck been on the rally, bro. Merck still got air, guys. Wow. Look at this bullish move. It might want to go to 115 before we check, honestly speaking. Oh, yeah. Yep. So I hope we can get a pullback entry. I'll get right back in, huh? Right here. 113.65 or 60 zone. I think is a good bounce entry to get back in. Calls to at least 115. Yeah. Then it could go higher. But health name's looking decent. I don't know what's going on. The Pfizer got approved. I saw Climate put some news about some medicine. So hint, hint, you know? All right, so I got this one too. This joint, I'm waiting for it to blow the freaking roof off. Freaking tired of this thing just dancing here. My God, it's frustrating. So is it finally? I don't know. It looks like it. So let's see. This looks good. This right here looks great. Wow, this actually looks really good. So we got 5 days, right? So this might be it. Probably just waiting for this full week. So just wait until we crack above our Bali, and I think it's gonna go. It's gonna readjust everything.
Watch, bro. Lily's gonna rip on Friday.
Yeah.
He
Seriously.
pass contracts after consolidation.
This shit is crazy. This truck.
I gotta move that alert up each day. Each day
Yeah.
I move it up to the
I
top.
know, man. It's not even powerful. I'm getting so annoyed. It's all good.
All right, I got TJX. Let's see. I think I missed TJX. Oh no, I didn't miss it. So, all right, we could definitely watch on tomorrow. Because bullish and golf. Wait, is it a bullish? Hold on, gang. No, there's a wick messed it up. Almost, not the prettiest. This wick hated and didn't make it happen. But still a nice chart, if you ask me. Look at this resistance right here that is already.
Yeah, it's a beautiful chart.
So, and everything looks good. This looks good. This looks good. Everything upside. Yeah, it's crazy. So this could honestly go to at least 83.50. So let's watch. I think it would, yeah, it hit 82. So we gotta wait till we get back to 82. I would put an alert, but I feel like I'd rather put a pullback alert. Let me see. Let's see on the 15 what we got on a bounce entry. So right here, 81.70 will be a nice bounce on, because this is resistance right here, double top resistance. And then this candle broke through there. So, and this is a little bit lower than here. I feel like it's gonna probably try to go lower. If it does, these will be my two areas. That one, that 81, and this one will be my two areas like that I'll watch for a bounce on TJX. And then from there, if it goes higher, then yeah, 82.15 or 30 is over. I say those two levels is pretty much upside to a nice move to at least, let me see where we got resistance. Yeah, 86.70, and then what we got here? Almost 83, so not bad. Not a bad move. Yeah, so sure. I say 82.30. Yeah. 82.30, right? Yeah, watch that on TJX gang. All right, then I like two more and that's it. All right, is silver gonna get a break? I know I took the swing. Is this doji a sign? I don't know. Let's see, team, but I love how it's turning here on the other side. I like also the candle that it did. This is consolidation, two bear candles next to each other, like inside trading. So I feel like this green one coming, I honestly get it at least to 21, which is the play that we're in. We're in 21 calls. But look, this is bounce over here. We've been downtrending for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 days. Like, come on. Maybe this could be like the Coca-Cola play that we killed. So watch silver. Obviously, if I'm watching silver, watch gold. Let's look at gold since I'm talking about it. Might as well. And after that, I'll look at any names y'all want me to look at. I'm cool with it. This is, you see, this is mind-boggling to me. Gold
Dude, these
got
guys,
red candles.
oil, dude, that oil, these guys cannot get a bid, bro. It's
This shit
crazy.
got red candles, right? But it went up. So this is the confusing shit about this, right?
The
Like,
most fucked up morning star ever, bro.
bro, like how you got
Just,
candles red and they were up? Like that's crazy.
just
To me.
the
Like,
redheaded stepchild of morning
yeah,
stars.
it's crazy. So this gotta be here. This I'll put an alert here just for shits and giggles, but
We're
not.
gonna print on this shit this week. Watch, we're gonna laugh.
Yeah, man, I'll put it right here. Once
Well,
I get above my rectangles, then I believe it. But
those
this is
silver cons move,
ridiculous.
man. Let's hope.
This is ridiculous. So I mean,
Silver
silver
goes
looks prettier
very,
because
yeah,
the
silver
bear
is way
candles look
better.
way weaker. You understand? But this is like
Yeah,
really strong bears and they're up. Like, come on, bro, it's crazy.
we're gonna hit a lick on silver.
Yo, let's well, I'm sorry. I was just gonna put Tesla, like thinking y'all want me to talk about Tesla. But y'all want me to talk about any names? Sorry.
Go ahead, Nami.
Yeah, I think the big watch I have for tomorrow when I'm kind of watching Bitcoin now. Actually, see if I took Apple off, I'm looking at Bitcoin is a coin. Since it's lagging, it pulled in a hell of a move on Friday. So I
Nice
think
That's
call.
a nice
a big
candle.
watch tomorrow.
Yeah.
Very, very powerful candle on Friday. I was gonna talk about coin, which I'm glad you pointed that out.
When it
I
Yeah.
already know you're in Mara, right?
yeah, exactly.
So what you watching? 6290?
I haven't even charted it out, bro. But I just like the fact that Mac is about to cross that zero line on the MACD signal.
I
So
like it.
just that in the volume, it just looks like a good setup for tomorrow. If Bitcoin holds this 30,000, it needs to catch up to the rest of those miners.
That's day one too, bro.
I'm actually probably looking for a bounce entry, actually, to be quite honest. It's gonna be like I think a really high watch tomorrow. Let's try to see, especially if Bitcoin opens above 30,000, which I think it will.
Let's see. Let's see. Let's look at these other miners now you're talking about it, brother. Riot looks, let me see how Riot. Okay, Riot doesn't look bad either. That's crazy. Yeah, look at the RSI, so strong. MACD strong too. Yeah, Riot above 1225 is a go. Let me see. Let me see. If it gets above there, what? Whatever. I'll adjust it.
RCL, Carnival Cruise Lines.
CCL. Oh my god, we could
Yeah.
catch such a bag on CCL.
Yeah, so RCL, I got the RCL.
That flush.
Sorry, bro. I got cut off. My Wi-Fi went out.
Oh, no, good, bro.
I was talking about Riot. What you guys were talking about? I'm sorry.
No, you're good. We just saw the riot chart freeze, and then we didn't hear any voice, so we
Oh, okay.
thought that
So
you
yeah.
probably got cut off.
Yeah, so I think 1225 could definitely take you to 12.5. I mean, yeah, 1225 could take you to 12.5s, and Mana probably looks identical, even wow, even better actually. Once it breaks this resistance is over. So yeah, Mana looks. I'll just wait until.
I don't think we can see your screen, bro.
Thank
Yeah.
you for telling me that. You're absolutely correct. Thank you.
All good.
There we
Yo,
go.
Nami, you're gonna be proud, bro. I already have a 230 alert on Visa. Chart is done.
Yeah, Visa, one, two,
It's done, bro. I
MasterCard.
got your back.
Yeah, I know.
MasterCard breaks this. I think she
Hell yeah.
That alert's probably a few weeks ago too, bro. You're on it well before.
Definitely last week alert-ish when AXP started popping a week and a half ago.
Yeah.
That's when I put the Visa. We got it, bro. We're a unit. Three
Yeah.
together.
We got it. All right. Yeah, it looks good. Let me just talk
Yeah.
about Tesla. Let's see Tesla real quick.
Yeah, let's rock some Tesla.
I don't know your name. Let's do it. All
Morning star-ish or
right.
bearish.
It looks heavy, my brother. Looks heavy, bro. Look, head and shouldery. This is the shoulder,
Very.
and this is the shoulder.
You got the
Yeah.
pregnant one too.
Look at
And
this,
the
bro. Disgusting. This is disgusting.
Yeah. Oh, the bearish Harami Nami. Really good call with increasing volume on the daily.
Yeah, there you go.
Yeah.
Oh no, I'm Japanese. What do I know? The
This
fucking
shit could go to 40,
Yeah, no, that's what pregnant means. Bearish Harami.
There you
240.
go, the pregnant one.
Let's go to 246, bro. Be careful.
Yeah, that shit could knife, bro. If it opens up green, we get short the fuck out of it tomorrow.
Yes,
I
sir.
remember with you guys buying a call on that on the bearish harami. You're like, bro, it's bearish. I'm like, oh shit. And it for sure worked out. Downside. I remember I was like, hey, isn't that pregnantly? Isn't that bullish? Like, dude, it's red. I'm like, oh yeah, my bad. All
we
right,
learn,
gotta
bro.
take it.
All right, man. We're on tomorrow morning. I'll put
Oh,
up
Oh yeah,
he's
30 minutes
sorry. Could you
market.
just look at meta?
Metaverse.
the tank, the meta tank,
Oh,
Macro, baby.
the
yeah.
meta
Oh,
thing
wow.
tanky.
Yeah, Meta looks
It's like,
good. It'll be
look
a,
at his Nami. Look at his pivot, bro.
it'll be a,
Cuz already got that shit down pat.
Yeah.
it'll be a day
All
trade,
right.
my brother. Hell yeah.
Yeah.
Watch
All
Snap
right.
too, man. That volume on Friday on that Snap, those 11 calls still have went.
Didn't you get like 170% on Snap on Friday, bro?
It's like, yeah, it
110?
was like 110 or something like that. Yeah, 'cause I caught that before all the volume came in and asked on those guys.
Yeah, I killed it.
Meta and then Disney's my last one, brother.
Disney's the damn right, the swing that I'm in.
Yeah, right.
I just got into some equity, so
Got some bullish divergence, I think.
Oh, this looks bullish. I'm not even mad on my swing. So this
Yeah.
all right.
look how it's respecting this little trend right here that I got. And we got green candles. Let's see if it's real. Hopefully it is. Well, yeah,
All right.
I'd say
No,
the benefits to the upside on Disney
Just a MACD.
just the bounce. The only thing I look shaky is the Mac a little bit, but
But RSI is always the snitch indicator, so it might be a double bottom on the RSI right there.
big curls too. You got bullish on both. You got bullish divergence on both.
Thank you, gentlemen. Appreciate you guys.
Of course, man. I'll see you guys in the morning. All right, gang.
All
All
right.
right, man. Appreciate it.
All
All
right,
right, boys.
All right. Thanks.
Peace out.
no worries.